company name is Venus Distribution Ventures Inc. That's our company name. Okay po, and Venus Distribution Ventures was founded with one mission. It is to empower Philippine enterprises through smart distribution and meaningful partnerships. So we believe that every great innovation deserves a bridge that connects to the people who need it most, and that bridge is us. Alright? And our brand name is NanoProtect. So our company name is Venus Distribution Ventures Inc. And the brand name is NanoProtect. Okay? And so far, our product lineups are the following. Nakikita niyo dito sa harapan. Okay? So we have accessories. Ito yung mga products natin. Ito suot namin. Kasi baka napapansin niya, ay mga suot nila, mga pinto. So, this is what we call equilibrium pendant. NanoProtect equilibrium pendant. And our thermal bracelet. And shield anti-radiation chips. Yan yung aming accessories. Alright? And we also have the apparels. Ito yung mga apparels natin. Right? We have waist belts. Na itong tatawag yung flex waist belts. So, syempre intended for those persons na gusto magpa-sex. Okay? Maraming dito siguro yun na. And then yung mga problems sa likod, sa bar, etc. Okay? And we also have the elbow and knee row. Yan. And we also have the underwear for men and for women. Ayan. And we also have the nano socks. Ito yung nano socks natin. And of course, our flagship product under our flagship brand, NanoProtect, is NanoProtect eyewear. Salamin ko ay it's an eyewear. So, it's not an ordinary eyewear. Nakikita niyo sa likod yung mga display, yung mga sa atin. It's not an ordinary eyewear. It's incomparable with ordinary eyewear, even doon sa mga tigradong salamin, mga graded lens. Why? Because our main product is not the lens. Okay, wala po siyang graded sa non-graded lens. Okay? So the non-graded lens, just to compare, is designed para nakakita ka for the time being. Okay? Kasi binamagnify niya yung object. Okay? But ours, yung ating main product, yung ina-avail nito, yung ini-enjoy, is the frame. Ito the frame. It's not the lens. Yun yung pinaka-main product ko. Yun yung ina-avail. Bakit? Kasi naandyan po sa frame yung mga natural components. Ayan po, nasa talaga. The natural elements, naka-infuse, naka-embed po dyan yung mga elements na yan. Yung mga stones, such as germanium stones, ions, barberite, silver ions, etc. So yun po. That is why it is incomparable with an ordinary eyewear, even yung mga tigradong salamin. So, it is designed for two purposes, the 2P and the 2R, I mean, protection and prevention, if you don't have the problem yet sa mata. Okay. Protection and prevention, and the 2R stands for restoration and repair. If you do have already problems sa mata, ano ba yung mga problems sa mata? Mataas ang grato. Kaya sino na po ulit sa lamin dito ang mundo?
Parang mali po yung tanong ko. Ito yung
So, actually, most of us, normal po ang paglagot ng kita naman kayo. As we age, when we reach 40, pataas, ito na nagkaka-problem yung eyes natin. And most of the time, kasi nakikita kong bata-bata pa dito. Okay? And most of the time, medyo nasa, ano tayo, nasa denial stage tayo. Alright? Sinasabi natin na okay pa ang mata ko. Pero in fact, no, medyo talagang hindi na siya gaya dati, blurry na siya. Okay? So, dyan po pumapasok yung aming product. Okay? For the protection, prevention, and restoration of the products. Maraming problems sa mata kayo na, such as glaucoma, cataract, and so on and so forth. And yan po yung mga natutulungan ng product. Right? So, our product is not an ordinary eyewear. It's actually a medical device. No? It is categorized as a medical device. It's actually a technology, it's a device na hinulmang salamin, inat na salamin, para if you have problems sa mata. Okay. Naakong-akma sa mata natin. So it is a device and technology, and our product, as you have seen a while ago, it is a combination of a nature. Kasi yung mga elements na yun, it's a God's gift. It's from nature. Okay? It's a combination of nature and a technology. Ayan po. Okay, it's a combination of nature and technology. And anong technology ang ginamit? Anong klase technology? It's what we call nanotechnology. I'm sure familiar lahat sa nanotechnology. Okay? Lagi niyo pong maaalala yung apelyido ko kasi inano ko. So nanotechnology. When you say nanotechnology, it's the science of small. So yung mga elements po na pinakita natin sa kanina, yung nakita ninyo, yung mga stones na yon, through nanotechnology, pinulverize siya or pinaliit siya ng 100,000 times smaller than the diameter of human hair. So kaya mabilis po na na-absorb ng katawan natin or ng mata natin yung mga elements na yun. Doon nagsisimula na yung user. Alright? So, see the world in style and shielded by science. That is actually our theme for this press con. Alright? Kasi it's actually a medical device. It can help us address yung mga problems sa mata, and yet passionate siya. No? Kung yung design, hindi ko mahihiyang isuot. Okay? And this is so far the designs that we have. Okay, ng aming eyewear. So yung aming adult photochromic na eyewear. Ayan po. So marami tayong pagpipilian ng designs. Okay? Lahat ng klase ng faces. Okay? Yung pabilog yung mukha. Ayan, meron tayo. Okay? Yung medyo pahaba ang mukha. Meron tayo. Ay, meron din po tayo para sa mga kapal ng mukha. Joke lang yun. Kasi medyo seryoso yung iba. Alright? So, yun yung ating mga eyewears. Okay? And then, this is for adult male eyewear na shape tie. Same technology. Naka-invent din siya ng mga elements. Ayan po yan. And then, ito yung ating adult female eyewear shape. Yung ating model, of course, yung ating CEO. Ayan si Mami na. Ayan. Alright. So, very hands-on kami yung team yung pag-model. Ayan. And ito yung aming limited edition eyewear. Okay. So, and then also, of course, para sa mga kids and teens. Kasi, sila ang kailangan lalo ng protection. Protection from different types of pollution. Okay, ano ba yung mga pollution na alam natin? Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and there is one pollution na talagang hindi natin kayang maiwasan. And what is that? Radioactive pollution, the radiation. We call it actually the modern pollution. Okay, so lahat tayo doon exposed na kasi lahat ng gadget, lahat ng appliances, pero tinatawag na radioactive pollution. And our product actually can help protect us from those pollutions, including the modern pollution. Okay, and behind the vision of this company are the people, na mga to, okay? Behind Nanoprotec's success. Ayan. So, pinakilala na po kanina, ulitin ko lang since nasa slides. The persons behind the success, of course, is Number one is our CEO and President for Sales and Product Management, Captain Rivera. Siya sa Captain. And Ms. Arjun Reyes, our COO and Vice President for Finance and Admin. And yours truly, Jun Tinano, Executive Vice President for Business Development and Marketing. Ayan po. So our mission, friends, media friends, and vloggers and guests, is to empower individuals and communities to live healthier, more vibrant lives through the accessible nanotechnology solutions. Right? That is our mission. That through us, through our distributors, pwede natin ma-reach even yung mga nasa outer or inner skirt ng community. Okay? Offering this innovative products.